Welcome to Pinvesting, India's first real estate channel. Let's dive in the latest property news from Indian market. The luxury lifestyle once synonymous with Malabar Hill is now extending to Mumbai's far eastern suburbs. Recognizing the rising demand for high-end housing in these emerging areas, Lodha, a brand known for its opulent living spaces, is expanding its premium residential offerings. Traditionally focused on established locales like Malabar Hill and Worli Sea Face, Lodha is now making its mark in the rapidly growing new Mumbai Palwa Kalyan region. This strategic move highlights Lodha's dedication to providing an enhanced lifestyle, ensuring that residents enjoy unparalleled luxury and comfort beyond the traditional elite areas of South and Western Mumbai. Lodha Golfview, in particular, is setting new standards for luxury living in Mumbai's eastern suburbs. Drawing inspiration from Lodha's legacy of high-end developments in South Mumbai, Lodha Golfview is ideally located against the expansive backdrop of the Lodha Country Club and Golf Course in Palwa city. This project offers a unique blend of luxury, hospitality, and sophistication, showcased through its distinctive Art Deco tower architecture, a first for Mumbai's suburbs. Lodha Golfview has already garnered attention with a record-breaking sale of a duplex suite and penthouse at approximately 9.4 crore rupees, in an area where property transactions typically range from 1 to 3 rupees crore. This extraordinary sale not only sets a new benchmark in the new Mumbai Palwa Kalyan region but also rivals the pricing of some of Thane's most prestigious areas. This landmark transaction marks a significant shift in the regional real estate landscape, emphasizing the growing appeal of high-end luxury properties. Traditionally, areas like Thane and Navi Mumbai commanded higher per square foot rates due to their established prime status. However, the success of Lodha Golfview highlights the new Mumbai Palwa Kalyan region as an emerging and highly desirable residential area, capable of attracting substantial investments while offering competitive value. Recent transaction data shows that the units at Lodha Golfview were registered at prices of 14,900 rupees and 15,370 rupees per square foot. Additionally, two more units, yet to be registered, are expected to fetch around 16,500 rupees and 16,400 rupees per square foot. These figures surpass notable deals in Navi Mumbai's Nerul area, where prices were recorded at 12,600 rupees and 10,100 rupees per square foot in August 2022. Similarly, in Thane's Panchapkhadi, a transaction in March 2024 achieved 15,500 rupees per square foot for a comparable carpet area. The new Mumbai Palwa Kalyan region has quickly transformed into a vibrant hub for luxury housing, driven largely by the development of Palwa city. This area, known for its scenic beauty with 60% open green spaces and picturesque water bodies, reflects the increasing demand for premium residential options that seamlessly integrate natural beauty with luxury. The region's premium housing market has grown dramatically, from 209 crore rupees in 2016 to 2,450 crore rupees in 2024, with Palwa city leading the market with a substantial 41% share. This remarkable growth underscores Palwa city's crucial role in shaping the luxury residential landscape. In recent years, Palwa city has established itself as the most sought-after address for premium and high-end residents in the new Mumbai Palwa Kalyan region. The introduction of the luxurious Lodha Golfview Tower further solidifies its status as a premier choice for discerning luxury seekers in Mumbai's eastern suburbs. We value your input. Your feedback shapes our content. Thanks for watching Pinvest TV.